In this video, we will see how to use Dsers Aliexpress for dropshipping on Shopify. Let's get started. Here I am on the Shopify website. Click over to start a free trial. Choose an option that best describes you. I will go with the first option and click over the next. Where would you like to sell? You can choose options according to your requirements or go with I am not sure. Click over Next. Choose what you plan to sell first. Click over Next. Choose the business location. Click over Next. In the last step, create a Shopify ID. I will go with a Google account. In a few seconds, we will be on the Shopify store. Welcome to the Shopify store. Now use Dsers Aliexpress for dropshipping. Let's go to Add Apps. To find more apps, go to the Shopify App Store. Here search Dsers and press Enter. Click over Dsers Aliexpress Dropshipping. Click over Install. Install app. Create an account for yourself or register yourself. I will create an account. Choose a plan according to your business requirements. I will go for free. Here, link your supplier. I am going to use AliExpress. Checkmark over I agree to the authorization terms and agreement and click over Authorize. Here I am on the Dsers dashboard. Let's find suppliers. Here are hundreds of products available that you can import for Shopify. I will go with this one. Click over Add to Import List. The products are successfully imported. Let's go to the import list to check. Here you can see the imported product. Click over Push to Store. In Preferences, you can continue selling when out of stock, also publish to the online store, and only push product specifications. Click over Push to Stores. Let's go back to the Shopify store. On the left side, you can see the product options. Click over here. Here are the product details. You can customize the product title and description. In Media, product images. Color variants, price, available, and on hand. Product status is active. Market is the United States. You can organize products by adding categories, product types, vendors, collections, and tags. This is how you can use Dsers Aliexpress for dropshipping on Shopify. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.